Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with some more Spellbinders goodness. In this video I'm going to show you some cards from the Just Wanted to Say collection and Right Words collection. Right Words collection is a collection designed by Becca Feakin. Really cute with the right words. Alrighty, let's get started. So first up, here is a cute 5x7 card for a sweet girl. She could be a teenager, young girl. So here I'm using the My Sweet Friend die set that was sent to me by Spellbinders. Isn't it cute? Look at that beautiful word sweet. This one I cut twice because it doesn't have an outline. I staggered it, so that's black in the background, pink on top with glossy accents. Why not? In a sort of a hot pink, but not super hot pink, more like fuchsia cardstock. Love, love, love. Then the My and the Girl also comes from the die. You get friend, girl, boy, baby, and my. So it could be my sweet friend, girl, boy, or my sweet baby. Love that, right? It does have some flowers. I didn't use the flowers here. What I did use was this awesome anchoring vine die. It's right here. It doesn't have the blooms on it. So what I did, I could have layered these flowers here, but instead I used the wreath builder. Love this set. I've spoken in previous videos about this set. That's what I layered in here. Housing this whole sentiment and the flowers is my favorite embossing folder. Spellbinders Geoscreen oversized embossing folder. I love their new embossing folders. These folders are just fabulous. Whether it's the 2D like that one or the 3D. I just layered up the vine on top of this. That's how I achieved this card. Isn't this cute? And then I topped it off with some gems from Spellbinders. I'll put the name here on the screen because I forgot the name of this. But it has a sort of a yellow green color that works with the florals, I think. Cute, right? Look at all the texture on this card. And with all this texture, the card is still flat. This is a card that can mail with no extra postage. Keep that in mind. And you can make it smaller. I just thought with the sweet and the way I wanted to do the flowers, for me, 5x7 worked best. Yes, you could bring it down to A2 size. Maybe turn the card to be a horizontal card if you want to use this same floral pattern. Hope you like this card. I love it. I think it's so cute. My sweet girl. Great for like Sweet 16 or something. All right, next card, moving on. Here is a card, You Are Kind. Now this card has a lot of dies going on. It's just all die cutting goodness. But let's talk about it. You could back off some of it, but I kept on going. I was just having fun. What I wanted it to be was the sentiment, the bird, and then everything else going off from around this focal point. That was my thinking. The You Are Kind, that comes from the Thank You for Your Kindness die set. I use this same, I call this the lotus flower. It looks like a lotus to me. So I did the lotus double panel. There you can see the seam. So this time I just cut this out with both sides, cut the two panels, stick them beside each other to make this mini slimline card, which measures, let me give you a measurement, 7 by 3 3/4. I think it turned out cute. I was going with this coral navy with a splash of kind of a mustardy yellow colorway. I think it worked out well. And the bird. Let's talk about the bird. I love these birdie dies, guys. This has a good price point. If you want to get 1 or 2 birds for your stash, this layering bird, fabulous. Sweet birdie. There's also the chickadee one as well. But I use sweet birdie here. And the You Are Kind comes from in here. You Are Kind. And I layered up the kind. Did put a little bit of glossy accents. See it filling in right here in between the letters because you do get that open space. When you cut the kind, you could either put cardstock or go ahead with glossy accents. Here it is again on the bird, the wing. You see it? I didn't do stickles. I could have done stickles too, but I actually didn't do any glitter. Interesting. The leaf. Love this leaf. Leafy sprig. Oh, she's just another great anchor for any card. Wonderful die to add to your stash. Now the florals. The florals, that is from Be Bold Blooms. Love this. I know I have linked it in previous videos and I realized I think it's out of stock. It's just a great floral die set to add to your stash to build on any style of card. It just adds that wow. It has all these great buds, the flowers. I use the Be Bold Blooms. Wonderful. And right here to frame it, yes, I'm coming back in with the Fluted Classic Circles. I hope some of you had bought this when it was on sale at 40 off. It was a steal. Love it. And I used the circle here. Here also are some metallic gold pearls. And I just put some in here to accent the card. Super cute card, right? You Are Kind. All right, I love this one. All those colors. Up next, so along with this card, You Are So Kind, I also made this card, a more simple card. It features this Spellbinders diagonal glimmer hot foil plate. Actually was not hard to use, thank goodness. I did use some Hammermill 100-pound cardstock, that ultra smooth cardstock that you can get on Amazon. I will put a link for it because I think it's back in stock. That helps with the Glimmer machine, so you can use the foil plates and get a clean result like this instead of the overfoiling. So that's the diagonal glimmer stripes. This is a A2 base foil plate. And here I use it on this card. And I also did the You Are, and I added So in here, kind. I did it in gold. This time I inlaid back with the die. So you see the difference? You can either choose to inlay back the pieces or leave it out. And this one I used the glossy accent. On the bottom, I'm back again with my kaleidoscope. I love kaleidoscope. This one, though, you'd have to get at Spellbinders because this is from their monthly kit back in August. Hex Kaleidoscope Tile. Love, love. And here I also put some of their gold pearls. Gold pearls there, gold pearls here. 2 cards ready to go. Kind of like You Are So Kind and Thank You. That was my thinking. All right, up next, we have this card. So I'm back again to the Leafy Sprig. Love my little leafy sprig. Here it is in all its leafy goodness. I decided to play with foliage on top of foliage. So this one is another favorite. Sweet Leaf Mini Slimline. And I've shown you guys this a bunch of times. You can either use it as a drop-in, meaning no cut edge, or use the outline here to cut the edge like it's shown here. This is on a mini slimline card. This Thanks, I think, just frames it so well. So it's actually, again, all die cuts, but I am loving it. That Thanks comes from Yana's Layered Script Sentiments. Love this set. Very delicate, but cuts well. Now, a lot of dies that have this kind of script along with the shadow, it usually doesn't line up well. There's something in this shadow here. See all the little bits that they put in there to ensure that you line it up straight? I appreciate that. So you get birthday, happy, so happy birthday, or thanks. Yana has her YouTube channel, Yana Smakula. She's a designer with Spellbinders and she works on the team. So she made this set and I think that just makes an elegant card, doesn't it? That script. And it is popped up. And I even cut that out. Look at that. In that Dollar Tree foam. And look how it held well for something as delicate as this. You need something, either you're going to stack cardstock all the way up or spongy foam. That may press out. But if you use this foam board, that'll give you that look. And here I use some pearls from my stash. These are some matte silver pearls from my stash. So I have like, I guess it is 3 thank you cards. I can put You Are So Kind and then on the inside stamp something with thanks. And also my sweet girl. So I have those 4 cards. There's a new release coming very soon. Look out for that one too. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. I just love these cards. Look at this. So pretty. Alrighty. Bye.